If you want to find out how to remove and replace an air filter on a Land Rover Freelander 2, then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Super simple video for you today. I'm just going to be showing you how to remove and replace the air filter found on a Freelander 2. Now this is actually the SI4 model from 2014, which has the 2-litre petrol turbo engine, which is also found in the early Evoque and the early Discovery Sport. Like I say, super simple job to do, and all we're going to need is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Now before we get started, I'm just going to very quickly tell you about these t-shirts. And the reason for that is I actually received a comment on this particular t-shirt on one of my previous videos. So I thought I'd give the company a quick plug. So the company is called Tokyo Tiger, and I've also got some cool hoodies and t-shirts from them in the past, and I've left a link in the description down below. Just use the code ROSS25 to get a 30% discount on the product range as well. Now let's get back to the car. So as you'll see, I've already opened up the bonnet. For those of you who don't know how to do that, just go into the passenger side and pull this lever here. And once you've done that, we're just going to go ahead and put our hand in below the R there and lift up the bonnet. Now just to quickly show you, I've actually got some brand new bonnet struts on there, and I have made a video on replacing those as well. So just looking around the engine bay, we've obviously got some fluid top-ups there, main engine block in the middle, and then our induction tube coming out like that. And then this is actually our airbox. So to get into our airbox, we're actually going to have to undo some screws. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 screws. So I'm just going to reposition the camera and undo those. So you don't have to unscrew them fully, you just have to undo them enough so the lid comes loose. And once you've done that, we're just able to lift up the lid of the box there, and then that exposes our air filter. Now just to quickly show you, there can often be leaves and debris found in the bottom of the box. Make sure you clean them out before you actually go ahead and replace the filter. And this is what the filter looks like. So this was actually replaced probably less than a year ago. It's a bit dirty, but it's not terrible. So this has still got quite a lot of life left in it. So when you've got your new filter or you've cleaned your old filter, it's fairly obvious which orientation it goes. The fins go down and you follow the shape of the box. Then we're just going to return the lid, and then we're going to screw the screws all the way back in. And there we go, like I say, nice, quick, easy video for you today. Do remember to check out Tokyo Tiger on their website, which is tokyo-tiger.com. And if you found this video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.